Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter for the pairing mode in your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. Okay, so first of all, you have to grab your case and remember to charge at least to the 50% charging case and also the earbuds inside. In the most cases, when you open this charging case, this indicator will start blinking like that. And it means that they are in the pairing mode automatically. So just take a look. As you can see in my case, they appears on available devices list. If you want to move this case to the pairing mode manually, you just have to use this button. It's located on the right side in this place. You have to just click and hold this button until this indicator will start blinking like that. It will take around 2 or 3 seconds. After that, you can release that button and you will just find your device on the list or any other phone, tablet or PC. If you hold this button for too long, this indicator will turn to the red for the 4 times. It will blink 4 times on the red and it will basically perform the hard reset of your earbuds. So one more time, to enter pairing mode in your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i, you just have to click and hold this charging case button with the cover open and earbuds inside for at least 2 or 3 seconds until this indicator starts blinking like that. After that, we'll be easily able to pair them with our phone. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.